Qingdao RT Steel Structure Company Limited and Shandong Lanjing Steel Structure Company Limited. Both are owned by Mr. Xing Huaigal. Our office located in Qingdao and factory in Weifang. As a professional company with rich expertise, we specialize in designing, producing, and installing all kinds of high-quality prefabricated steel structure buildings. Our 75,685 square meter facility, employing 90 skilled workers, ensures robust production capabilities. We utilize advanced machinery, laser cutters for precision, assembly straightening machines, flame cutters, gantry submerged arc welders, container house frame formers, high-tech paint coating lines, and PU panel machines. With 3 steel structure production lines, 50,000 tons annual capacity, 2 container house lines, 40,000 units annually, and 1 high-end PU panel line. Our output meets diverse needs. Our R&D team consisting of 20 engineers with bachelor's degrees or higher, ensuring innovative and cost-denial solutions. 2 professional QA/QC inspectors enforce strict quality control at every stage. Holding CE, ISO 9001, and WPS certifications, we launch new products within 20 to 50 days. Our structures suit various international markets. With 8 years of export experience, we serve clients from North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Oceania. Backed by superior quality and a 12-month warranty, we prioritize customer satisfaction as our core commitment.